This is the twin tail double flute in the key of G minor, and it's made out of Spanish cedar, has turquoise inlays, cabochons, and in this particular case it has 3 fingering holes on the drone side that are covered with pads, so you can choose which drone note you'd like. It gives you more options. I'll explain that. I'll show it to you. I'll demonstrate that a little bit. It does have 2 mouth holes, one for the melody side and one for the drone side. So you can play single or double. Either way, you have an option for that. So basically, if you have these 3 closed and all your holes closed, the drone is the same note. And here's his voice. It's natural voice. It's important to note that this is its natural voice. There are no reverb, no audio enhancements whatsoever. Here's his voice. So that would be this drone. Now I'm going to take off one of the covers and I'm going to try and start at the bottom. And now that makes this note the drone hole, the drone note. And here's what it would sound like. Totally different characteristic, totally different combination of notes, and it just gives it a different flavor. You can be very creative with that. It's really fun. Now, one thing we do recommend that the double flutes, it really makes sense that you have played a native flute for a little while before you get into the double flutes, only because it just takes a little bit more breath control, and it'd be much more comfortable after you've played a single flute for a while.